Welcome to Road 200 Consums. The set contains positive integers which have the highest common factor of more than 2 but less than 75 with the number 75. Now, if you look at 75 is nothing but 5 square into 3. So common factor which is there should be either multiple of 3 or multiple of 5, the highest common factor. So check out all the numbers which are multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. So multiple of 3, 3 ones are to 3 25s are. But 25 is not bad because it has to be less than 75. Okay. So the set contains positive integers which have highest common factor of more than 2 but less than 75. So if 75 is there, then common factor will be 75. So 75 cannot be there. So that means there will be 24 numbers like this. Same with 5. 5 ones are to 5. 15s are 75. But we can't have 75, so we'll have 5 14s are. So there are 14 such numbers. 38. But there are some numbers which will have both 3 and 5 as factors, multiple of 15. It will be 15, 30, 45 and 60, 4 such numbers. Remove those because it's double counted it. You counted it when you're counting 3, you counted it when you're counting 5. So remove that. So you will have 34 such numbers, multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. So from that you can get the answer B option. The average of 20 numbers is 25. So total will be 20 into 25, which is 500. No number less than 0. The maximum number is 45. The maximum how many of the given numbers can be 1? So if I take, let's say 10 numbers are 1. Okay, 1, there are 10 numbers. So 10 into 1, 10. And if I take the remaining numbers, 10 numbers is 45. Okay, so 10 into 45, 450. Total comes to 460, but I want 500. So 10 ones are not possible because even if I take maximum remaining, it doesn't satisfy. Let's take 9 ones. If I take 9 1 becomes 9. If I take 10 into 45 becomes 450. So 459 has become. So the last number, there's one number left because I've taken 9 numbers out here, 10 numbers out here, 19 numbers. The last number can be 41. So this is possible. That means there can be 9 ones. So B option. You could have 9 ones. Okay. Number 45 could be repeated. They did not say that number 45 cannot be repeated. The maximum number is 45. That means you could have multiple 45s. If you use that, you will see that there are 9 ones possible. So answer B option. F1, F. So if I want F50, I'll use F0 because F2 will be F0 plus 4. F4 will be F2 plus 4. F6 will be F4 plus 4. So that means every time you go from 2 numbers, you add 4. Every time you increase by 2 numbers, you add 4. Now to go from F0 to F50, you have to add plus 50. That means you have to add plus 2 25 times. If you're adding plus 2 25 times, that means you're going to add plus 4 also 25 times. That means it will be 100 more. 100 more over 2 will be 102. So technically F50 will be nothing but F0 plus 25 into 2, which is 25 into 4, sorry, adding 4 every time. So 2 plus 100 will give you 102. C option. Last digit of 63 raised to m, where m is a LCM. If you notice these two numbers, the difference is 2. And they both are even because this is odd. Odd plus 1 will give you even. Odd plus 3 will also give you even. Which means one of the two numbers will definitely multiple of 4. Two consecutive even numbers, one of them will be definitely multiple of 4. Okay, two consecutive even numbers. If one of them is multiple of 4, which means 63 raised to m, m is a multiple of 4. M is a multiple of 4, then the last digit will be same as 3 raised to 4, which is 1. Cyclist rule. You'll get D option. The number n when divided by 54 gives the remainder 12. So n when divided by 54 gives the remainder 12. That means the number should be 54n. The number should be multiple of 54. 54x plus 12. The number n should be 54x plus 12. Or if you look at it, it's a multiple of 3. Because 54 is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 3. So overall multiple of 3. Why am I taking multiple of 3? Because we are dividing by 9. So therefore I am taking multiple of 3. It's not a multiple of 9 because 54 is a multiple of 9. But 12 is not a multiple of 9. It's not a multiple of 9. So 12n, n is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 3. So 12n will be a multiple of 9. So if you divide by 9, the remainder will be 0, A option. Right? N is a multiple of 3, 12 is a multiple of 3. When you multiply, it becomes a multiple of 9. So if you divide by 9, the remainder will be 0. Thank you.